Kitty Faint, and today I'm coming at you with another Sanrense video. Thank you, Sanrense, for always sending me so much shit. It is like too nice. I feel like I made such a nice connection to Sanrense. I love that store so much. Yeah, the first thing Sanrense got me was this dress, which I have a little video right there. Alright, so this is the first thing that I got. This is like a dress. So this dress comes with a slip. Those are shorts, not underwear. You can see my underwear, so I put on shorts. And this dress, and it goes down to about my like ankles, if you can see. It's pretty long. It's really, really cute. I didn't expect to like this as much as I do. And I thought it would be itchy, but it's really not itchy at all. It is a little scratchy just because of the embroidery, you know, but it's really not that bad at all. Here's the back. I think it's very flattering, cute, and comfy. Welcome back. I would like to give this dress a good 10 out of 10. It's super comfy. The quality is really nice. There aren't too many loose threads, especially for having so much embroidery all over. This is so freaking cute. I love it. I give it a 9 out of 10. I think that's what I said. It's super nice. I love him. I'm sorry if I'm sniffing a lot and I can't edit that out, but it's my ears. Next, they gave me this really cute little like travel bag, which is so precious. It's all color block, which if you don't know, I freaking love color block. I think it's so sweet. It's just a little zipper dude, and this is what the inside looks like. There's a little, I don't know, this might even be good for like school. It's not necessarily a backpack though, or even the gym. That's what I was thinking of. I wanted this for the gym because I thought this would give me a little more space to put all my things in there, and I could put my sweatshirt in there and all of that good stuff. So if you're in the market for a kawaii gym bag, right here guys. The quality for this is really nice. It even has little feet there so it'll like stand up perfectly. I definitely recommend this if you guys are in the market for a cute little bag. I will give this, oh yeah, it also has an extra like coin purse, and then this is like a little front pocket. I would give this a good 10 out of 10. I really don't see anything wrong with this at all. I don't see any stains or loose threads or... Okay, I guess there's a little bit of staining right there, but it's so little that it doesn't really bother me personally. Next we have an umbrella. I am so scared of opening umbrellas indoors. I am so superstitious. But I'm gonna do it for this video. If I have fucking bad luck, I'm gonna be so over it, but it's very cute from what I saw online. I have not yet opened it because I was scared of bad luck, but I am so scared. I don't trust this. I did this once before when I was younger and I'm convinced it legitimately gave me bad luck. Okay, I'm just gonna open it like this. On the inside it has all these like moons and stars, and then there's nothing really on the outside, but it's just purple and has like cute lace. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh god, okay. Whew. I personally needed an umbrella, and I think I will definitely use this. I don't even know how to shut this. The only issue I have is it was kind of weird to open, kind of weird to shut, and kind of weird to put away back into the sleeve. So I smack myself in the face. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. I posted about this on my Instagram story, and I'm so mad because I don't think anyone bought it, but it's so cute. I'm very happy that they sent this to me. It is a little strawberry milk jar thing. Basically it opens like this, and it looks like a little milk container, like you'd open it here. Oh, you can literally drink it out of there. That is so cute. You can put pink lemonade, you can put milk, you can put water, you can put any kind of drink you want in here. Coffee, whatever you want. It also came with a little cleaner here, which I don't really think I'm gonna use, but it's a nice little extra gift. I will give this 10 out of 10 because it opens here, and it's cute. And the last thing is a phone case. Okay, first of all, it comes with these little Sailor Moon stickers, which I am in love with. I love stickers, if you guys didn't know. Stickers are my fave. And then it comes in this little Sailor Moon pouch. You have Chibi Moon, right? I'm a fake Sailor Moon fan, I'm sorry. And then Sailor Moon and all the little Artemis, and I don't remember the other one's name. Luna and Artemis, I'm pretty sure. And then the case. It is a Sailor Moon glitter case, and it's actually like puffy too. I don't know if you can tell. ASMR. Very cute. I will give it a good 10 out of 10 because it seems like really nice quality. You get all these cute little gifts. It came in this nice box, so it's safe. And you get a free little like pencil case. You can use this as a pencil case for art supplies, whatever. And you get free stickers. Hit me with that, please. Anyways, that is all the things Sanrense sent me. My camera is shutting off because it's gonna die soon and it keeps getting really hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to use my discount code CutieFaint for 10% off. I'll link everything down below, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I don't know, let me know if you like these Sanrense video hauls. Yes, that is it. Catch you on the flip side.